Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python programming language. We'll cover an easy method to get you started quickly. Python is incredibly popular due to its readability and wide range of applications. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to dive into coding, whether for a new career or just a fun hobby. Let's explore the steps to master this powerful language. First, you'll need to set up your development environment. This involves downloading Python directly from Python.org and installing it on your computer. Next, select a good code editor or IDE. Many beginners find Visual Studio Code very user-friendly. Finally, learn to use pip, Python's package installer, to add extra functionalities to your projects. This foundation is crucial. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to listen to music or get answers while you're coding. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your environment is ready, focus on Python's core concepts. Start with variables, data types, and basic operations. Then, move on to control flow, understanding how to use if else statements and loops effectively. The key here is consistent practice. Don't just read, write code. Small projects, even simple ones, solidify your understanding and build confidence. As you progress, delve into more advanced topics like functions, modules, and object-oriented programming. These concepts will allow you to write more organized and reusable code. Leverage the vast online resources available, including official documentation and active coding communities. Don't be afraid to explore specialized fields like web development with Django or data science with Pandas. Continuous learning is vital.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.